Most people buy a dash cam the same way they buy car accessories. They walk into a shop, ask for a recommendation, and buy whatever the salesperson suggests, or buy just from online. But here's the problem. The most expensive dash cam isn't always the best one for your car, and the best dash cam for your friend might be completely wrong for you. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about the best 4K dash cams in India under 20,000 rupees. And I'm going to help you avoid wasting your money on features you don't need. Because a good dash cam can save you thousands of rupees in insurance disputes, accident claims, and false allegations. A bad dash cam? It records blurry footage that becomes useless when you actually need it. So let's find out which dash cam is worth buying. First, do you really need a dash cam? If you only drive occasionally and your car stays parked most of the time, you can probably skip it. But if you drive daily, travel on highways, commute through city traffic, or own an expensive vehicle, a dash cam is one of the smartest investments you can make. When an accident happens, people argue, witnesses disappear, stories change. But video footage doesn't lie. That's why a dash cam is becoming essential on Indian roads. Now, before I show you the best dash cams, there are only 6 things you need to understand. Everything else is marketing. Number 1. Video quality. Don't get fooled by the 4K label alone. A good sensor is more important than resolution. A quality Sony STARVIS or STARVIS 2 sensor can produce clearer night footage than a cheap 4K camera. Number 2. Front only or front and rear. Front only cameras are cheaper, but front and rear recording gives much better protection. Most real-world incidents involve vehicles behind you. If your budget allows, go for dual-channel recording. Number 3. Night vision. This is where many dash cams fail. Daytime recording is easy. Night recording is what separates a good dash cam from a bad one. Always prioritize low light performance. Number 4. GPS. GPS records your speed and location along with the video. This can become valuable evidence during insurance claims and accident investigations. Number 5. Parking mode. Someone scratches your parked car, a bike hits it and drives away. Parking mode can capture those incidents. Just remember that many dash cams require a hardwire kit for this feature. Number 6. Heat resistance. India gets hot, very hot. Cheap dash cams can overheat, corrupt files, or fail completely. Look for reliable brands and models designed for Indian conditions. Now let's get to the best 4K dash cams under 20,000 rupees. Number 5. 70mm A800S Dual Vision 4K dash cam, around 14,000 rupees. One of the most popular 4K dash cams in India. 4K front recording, GPS, app connectivity, and good overall reliability. Perfect for most car owners who want premium features without spending too much. Number 4. Qubo Car Dash Camera Pro 4K, around 14,000 rupees. Strong app support, good video quality, and excellent value. A great choice for city driving and everyday use. Number 3. Redtiger F7NT Touchscreen Sony STARVIS 2 4K Dual Dash Cam, around 16,000 rupees. Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, front and rear recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, and touchscreen controls. Excellent night performance and premium build quality. Number 2. Woodman 4K Ultra HD Dual Car Dash Camera, around 16,000 rupees. Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, front and rear recording, GPS, and strong low light performance. Ideal for highway travelers and frequent drivers. And the number 1 pick, 70mm 4K Dual Channel Dash Cam. This is the sweet spot for most buyers. 4K recording, dual channel coverage, GPS, Wi-Fi, excellent image quality, and a strong reputation among users. If you want one dash cam recommendation under 20,000 rupees, this is the one I'd start with. Quick tip before buying. Spend a little extra on a high-endurance memory card. Many dashcam failures are caused by cheap memory cards, not the camera itself. And that's it. Now you know exactly what matters, what doesn't, and which dashcams are actually worth your money. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which dashcam you're using right now.